What it do, Kari Crew? Oh yeah, it's your boy Kari B, man. Back with a POV video, as y'all can see by the title and thumbnail. More than likely, it's gonna be telling y'all boys that this is the first POV drive with the new intake. You know what I'm saying? With that world loudest intake, man. That LegMaker bad boy. If you ain't watched my last video, go watch my last video so you can be in sync with what's going on. You know what I'm saying? This video. You feel me? Let me get out these four-way, man. Everybody trying to, you know what I'm saying, get out of here and go to work. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all I had weird off days, so when y'all go to work, I be off. When y'all be off, I'm at work. You know what I mean? But, yeah, man. Let me turn around, go that way. We just gonna really it's just gonna be a nice little POV drive, bro, with the LegMaker intake, so y'all boys can just, you know what I'm saying, hear the difference. A lot of people say the more I drove it, y'all, but I know last video, I was like, man, them mud, man. At first, like, I ain't gonna lie. HELLCAT wine, bro, off the rip, they just sound, you feel me? Like, bro, HELLCAT wines, bro, just, I don't know how to explain. I'm gonna have one window down, because there ain't no reason to having the other window down for real. Because I want y'all to basically hear more of the wine. You know what I'm saying? The exhaust cool, too, though. I want y'all boy to hear that, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boy to hear that wine. Let me vent the sunroof. I ain't gonna let it back though. But just cause, you know what I'm saying? That's the sunroof way, you feel me? That what I learned from all the people that got sunroof. They have it vented for no reason. This be closed all the time. But it be vented. You know what I'm saying? Sunny day, rainy day. Them boy don't care. Yeah. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna get y'all boy a little wine. We in street mode with it, as y'all know, my favorite mode to be in. Cause my sport mode just be OD crazy. But y'all let me know if it's louder for real. Like, if you need to, bro, go watch, you know what's in the POV drive I did before, obviously, when I put this on. That's why I said the wine still sounded good, bro. Y'all, like, the wine gonna always do what it, you know what I'm saying, what it need to do with a HELLCAT, regardless of what intake you got. But this intake, you know what I'm saying, is rated the loudest intake in the world. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to see if it's really the loudest intake in the world. I done heard them plenty of times. I done heard a LegMaker on a track hawk, you feel me, like with the hood of, like, he revving it. That joint literally make, like, you know how, like, when something get like a higher pitch to where it make your ear feel funny, like it tingling your ear? Like it was doing that off an intake. That's why I was like, bro, that's crazy. But let me start talking so much so y'all can just hear this thing, man. My performance page is saying that was 2 pounds of boost. The one that be on the gauge right here, be saying, like, when I do like this, they must be saying, like, I be having like 6, 7 pounds. I was like, bro, no way I got 6 pounds of boost. And I'm barely pressing the gas. I don't understand why y'all be hitting the brakes when there be an emergency vehicle on the other side of the road that got grass between them. And y'all hitting the brakes over here like they finna shoot across the grass and hit y'all. Yeah, we gotta get right here. Just intense wine, y'all boy. Intense wine. But yeah, like my old intake, bro. The old intake ain't sound, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't too shabby for what it was, not gonna hold you. All thing I can say about this one, your air intake temperature to be a little higher, simply because I ain't going that way, but they got all kind of dump trucks and all kind of stuff over there. Like on the other side of the traffic, like it holding up traffic. it is. But yeah, even my old intake, bro, it winded pretty well. You know what I'm saying? About like this. Probably like a tone, a notch or two down from this. Look at you, bro. You ain't even looking, gang. Your ass ain't even looking. Why would you see me get over, nigga, stay in the left lane. Y'all probably didn't even see that, but bro, that car right there, like I already knew what they were finna do. That's why I got over for you. Y'all don't know the rules of driving, gang. I swear y'all don't, bro. Like, y'all niggas just be giving out license, bro. It ain't always be the female. And female be thinking we be trying to be funny, bro. It always y'all niggas don't. It's like, you know how you just know the lingo? Y'all don't know the lingo of the road, bro. If you coming into a median, gang, like this, if you coming into a median, bro, and I see you coming like this, I'm gonna go on the right side. So just so you won't jump in front of me, because 9 times out of 10, y'all get in the closest lane to y'all. Instead of getting in the opposite lane from where the other car that's coming up is going. So you won't get hit, or you don't know how fast them niggas going. No, when I move over, now you want to get it, you still want to get in front of me. Like, y'all niggas be tripping, bro. Like, y'all niggas be wanting to get a new car. Nigga, you ain't finna get a new car like that. Yeah, better go to work. Damn, boy, y'all niggas be tripping. You see me coming, I'm looking at your ass like you ain't even look. You just shot straight across, just like how that truck, you just shot straight across. And I'm like, all right, I'm gonna get over to the right. You gonna get over to the right too. And I didn't use your mirror. Now I blow the horn at you. You think I'm being lame. When you just not doing what you supposed to do, bro. Just get in the closest lane, bro. Cause y'all niggas do it every time. Don't switch up now. Just get in the closest lane, bro. Damn. Anyway, man. Back to the wine, bro. Golly. That don't be so insane, bro. Y'all don't be paying attention to nothing. Nigga just drive. Like this is a video game. Well, I take it to the Los Santos Customs and get it refixed. Yeah, man, y'all let me know how y'all like the wine or not, bro. Know y'all heard that downshift though, man. Know y'all boy heard that downshift, little nigga. Know y'all boy heard that downshift, little bro. But yeah, man. That just kind of threw me for a loop, man. I don't know what they got going on, bro. They go 12, so I gotta drive like on 12. I think Brody from way across the road heard my whine. He was looking at my car when I rode by. He wasn't looking until I did it. Oh, it's a school's on. They ain't, bro, school finna start, but that's crazy, bro. Ain't no way someone went by that fast. How high they been. man. Something slight and polite, man. Y'all let me know. Let me know how y'all feel about that wine though. Is it louder for real though? Can y'all tell? The camera, if y'all can tell out the camera, that speaks a lot. It, obviously in person it's gonna be whatever, but if you can tell out camera, cause you can tell out camera, bro, then. I mean, I'm doing what I need to do. I really should have went that way. I ain't been down there in so long. But we took on. I ain't trying to go too far. Don't like that, man. Let y'all boy hit that wine though. Sirski. Stick 'em. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Man, I see what's going on, man. I wonder how that mud sound on the outside, bro. I might have to do. Y'all let me know. Comment down below. Y'all both want to see some videos like flyby or hearing, you know what I'm saying? The LegMaker and get a few flybys in one video or something on the outside. My boy just let me know, man. Well, yeah, man. Nothing too crazy. Feel me? Oh, I'm about to run straight through this one. But yeah, something slight, man, not too crazy. I wasn't trying to make a super duper long video. I didn't even realize this is a school. I didn't even realize it's a school right here. Boy, I got an elementary school across the street from the apartment. Imagine that, you stay in an apartment, school across the street. You can go home whenever. Either go home whenever or you can't ever be late. But, yeah, I gotta stay in that lane. But yeah, man, I'm turning the air back on. I'm getting a little warm, man. Man, car crew, man, doing let y'all boys see what that LegMaker time out. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I'm gonna be 100% honest. Like I said, when I first was driving, I was like, I don't think it's worth the money. I don't think any intake worth how much a LegMaker costs. I ain't gonna hold you. But it's the way the economy is, I guess. But I mean, it is carbon fiber. I can't say that. You paying for the carbon fiber if you want to be honest. It's real carbon fiber for sure. Real deal carbon fiber. It's carbon fiber. The carbon fiber stay cooler than plastic, bro. Cause they both kind of like plastic. I mean, ain't too much. And the way the LegMaker made, I don't know why it don't come with like. That's the only intake that don't come with like the little box like thing that go around the air intake. Not like a box, but you know, like the little cubby, like, you know what I'm saying? They kind of give you something like it got their own little area instead of it just sitting out like the LegMaker just sitting out. That's like something like a nigga would make, like for a HELLCAT. He like, you don't need all that extra stuff, bro. You just need You just need a colder intake that's gonna make them whine as loud as possible. Gang, turn, man. What are you doing? Everybody got their blinker on, bro. But Joe, man, all right, bro. I be telling you, bro, y'all niggas be insane, man. You just seen the first two people had their blinkers on. Just like you, turn, bro. They letting you know they turning, and you see them turning. As you see them start turning, turn. I know you don't trust them. I don't trust them. But nigga, if they already turning, they ain't finna just swerve in that corner and go back straight. Folk be tripping, man. I promise you, folk be tripping, bro. But yeah, man. Anyway, they just threw me off. But yeah, man, carbon fiber, like, I mean, not carbon fiber, it's like a nigga made a LegMaker, just like, yeah, this how you need. You don't need all that other stuff. Just had that mother, I'm talking about it just like sitting, like, it just sitting out like a sore thumb, just sitting out, nothing holding it up. The only thing holding it up is the clamps on the throttle body. That's it. That mother just out there. But it do sound smoother. I think it sound a lot louder on the outside. Like if you standing outside and I drive by and do that versus in here. It's still loud in here too. But even with the window down, if I roll the window all the way down, I don't know why it make a difference from the window being halfway down and all the way down. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I need to do a windows all the way down POV ugly. But yeah, man. That's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. Make sure that boy hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You feel me? Make sure y'all boys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. Also, man, like I always say in all my videos, bro. Anybody that got any kind of goal, man, anything you just want to do, bro, it's not, I guess, normal. You know what I'm saying? Put your mind to it, bro. Don't let everybody tell you what you can and can't do. Because the same people that say that, it be other people doing what you already doing, or what you thought about. You feel me? So if they can do it, you can do it, bro. Just put your own flavor on it. Stay, you know what I'm saying? Stay down, stay humble, keep God first in whatever you're doing. And allow him to, you know what I'm saying, guide you and just give him the praise of your success and what we will say failures. You know what I'm saying? Everything happened for a reason. Your time ain't there yet. You know what I'm saying? I'm speaking to myself as well, man. It ain't easy, bro, when you just be like, dang, bro, I'm doing the same thing they doing, and my joint not working. And my video or whatever I'm doing kind of better, or seem better, or just got a little more energy, or just whatever. It's just, man, it's just how the cookie crumbles sometimes. So y'all boys just gotta, you feel me, learn how to adapt and stay strong and adjust and keep pushing, bro. And like I also say for all my religious folk out there, man, keep God first, keep him in the mix and everything that you do. Stay prayed up, you know what I'm saying? Ask the Lord to continue to guide you, forgive you. I know we're going to keep messing up, but we're trying not to keep messing up as much as we can, even though it's not easy, bro. It's habits that just hard to break. As far as like what you say, what you do, how you do it, how you think, you know what I'm saying? All that stuff matter, bro. So don't ever think you got to be perfect. Just keep trying. And as I mean keep trying, is like keep trying to try to slow down what you were doing to a minimum of 0. You know what I'm saying? Whatever it is, smallest to biggest. Even when we try to rate them as small as the biggest, they all rated the same. You know what I'm saying? So just a little words of knowledge for y'all boys out there. And also, man, like I also say in all the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.